Okay, so today we're diving into SLG Sync Downlights, specifically the DRSB G1 model.
Okay.
And you've sent over a ton of stuff, sales sheets, spec sheets, even application guides. Seems like you're pretty serious about using these for a project.
Yeah.
So we're going to skip the basic intro and just dive right into what makes these downlights special.
Sounds good.
And how they fit into the whole SLG Sync system.
All right.
Ready to get a little geeky with some lighting tech?
Let's do it. The DRSB G1s are a perfect example of what SLG Sync is all about. Simple, functional, and surprisingly powerful.
I am seeing two main versions of this DRSB G1. One with a built-in eco sensor and one without.
Yeah.
Both are Bluetooth controlled. And I'm guessing that ties into that whole SLG Sync network system.
You got it. That Bluetooth connection is key for a whole world of control. We're talking wireless wall switches, Bluetooth strip lighting, LED panels, even troffers. It's a one-stop shop for a fully integrated lighting setup.
Okay.
Especially for like an office build or something similar.
They even come in a bunch of different sizes. 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches round. So it seems like no matter the space, there's a DRSB G1 to fit.
Yeah.
One thing I saw in the materials, it mentions retrofit flexibility quite a bit.
Yeah.
So what does that mean, practically speaking? Like, say I'm dealing with an older building and I want to upgrade to these. Is that going to be a huge headache?
Not at all. That's one of the big selling points here.
Okay.
These downlights are designed to just slide right into existing setups. No major rewiring, no construction chaos. Makes upgrading to a smart lighting system way less daunting, especially for renovations where keeping things smooth is a priority.
One thing that really caught my eye, in the sales sheet it says Easy Controls Setup, spelled with a Z. Come on, is that just some marketing flair? Or is it really that straightforward?
Yeah.
Because, you know, easy in the tech world doesn't always mean easy.
It's fair. I'll admit the spelling is a bit cheesy. But they're not exaggerating about the ease of setup. You can control zones of up to 50 fixtures without needing a degree in electrical engineering. No complex commissioning. No pulling your hair out over wiring diagrams.
So for someone like me, who can barely change a light bulb, you're telling me I could actually set up a whole office lighting system with this?
You absolutely could. And think about the cost savings there. You're not hiring a specialist. You're not dealing with complicated installations. SLG Sync is designed to be user-friendly from start to finish.
Right.
Plus, it's generally more affordable than traditional lighting control systems, which can get pretty pricey.
That's music to any budget-conscious ears. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. This DRSB spec sheet is packed with details.
Okay.
What are the key features that I, as a potential user, should be excited about?
Well, first off, you can adjust the brightness to your liking.
Yeah.
With the app-selectable lumen power output, so no more being stuck with one-size-fits-all lighting. Need to brighten things up for a focused work session? Done. Want a softer glow for a meeting? Easy peasy.
Ooh, like a focus mode with cooler light for working, and a relax mode with warmer light.
Exactly. And that ties into the next cool feature. You can adjust the color temperature, or CCT, right from the app. Cooler light can boost alertness, while warmer tones create a more relaxed vibe.
So I can basically become a lighting designer for my phone.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. What about this 90 CRI thing? Is that something I need to worry about?
It's definitely something to celebrate. CRI stands for Color Rendering Index, and 90 is a fantastic score. Think about it like this. Have you ever noticed how colors can look dull or washed out under certain lights?
Yeah.
High CRI ensures that colors appear vibrant and true to life, just like they do in natural daylight.
Okay.
It's essential for spaces where color accuracy is key, like retail stores, where you want the merchandise to really pop.
Okay, that makes sense. Pretty clever. Now, the SLG Sync app seems to like the control center for all of this.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at the SLG Sync application guide.pdf and the SLG Sync overview presentation -2025.pdf. And wow, it looks like it can do a lot.
It can.
Can you walk us through the highlights? What makes this app so special?
The app is your command center for all things SLG Sync, and the best part is it's designed to be incredibly user-friendly,
Okay.
even if you're not a tech wizard. Setting up the system, what's called commissioning, is a breeze. You can create zones to control different areas of lighting independently. Like imagine having separate control over the lighting in your office, the conference room, and the break room, all from your phone.
That's pretty cool.
You can even group zones together and create custom lighting scenes for different activities.
Hold on, so I could have like a pre-programmed presentation mode that dims the lights in the back of the room and spotlights the screen.
Exactly.
That's pretty slick.
Or a lunch break scene. That brightens the break room
Well,
and dims the lights in unused areas to save energy. The possibilities are endless.
This is blowing my mind a little bit. I'm seeing NLC mentioned a lot in these materials. What's the significance of that? Is it just a fancy certification? Or does it actually mean something for someone like me?
It's definitely more than just a sticker. NLC listed means it's on the Downlights Consortium's Networked Lighting Controls Qualified Products list. That's a mouthful.
Yeah.
But it basically means SLG Sync meets super strict industry standards
Okay.
for energy efficiency, cybersecurity, and functionality.
So it's a stamp of approval from the lighting gurus.
Yeah, you could say that.
But how does that translate into real-world benefits? Does it actually make a difference in my pocketbook?
It can absolutely impact your bottom line. Firstly, you know you're getting a high-quality system that's going to perform reliably and save energy. But the real kicker is that NLC listing can often open doors to energy rebates and incentives from utility companies. So not only are you getting a cutting-edge system, you might even get some money back.
Okay, that's a win-win I can get behind.
Yeah.
I'm also noticing a whole family of SLG Sync compatible devices,
Right.
sensors, controllers, wall switches,
Yeah.
even emergency lighting integration. They're really building a whole ecosystem here.
They are, and that's the beauty of it. You can build a truly comprehensive lighting control system tailored to your specific needs, all within one user-friendly platform. It's a game changer for anyone looking to take their lighting game to the next level.
Wow, we've covered a lot of ground already, and I'm already impressed.
The future of lighting is bright, literally.
Well said.
Yeah.
And on that note, we've reached the end of our deep dive into SLG Sync Downlights and the world of networked lighting controls. We've covered a lot, from the technical details to the big picture implications, and I hope you found it as fascinating as we did. But before we go, I want to leave you with one final thought. As lighting technology keeps evolving, how might it change not just our physical spaces, but also how we understand light itself? Food for thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining a light on what matters most.